The best ways to use grapefruit oil, my favorite essential oil facts and tips. A friend asked me once the best ways to use grapefruit oil. She had gotten a bottle of Young Living grapefruit oil from a friend and wasn't sure what to do with it. So here are my recommendations. How we use grapefruit oil. Number 1, put a drop or 2 of Young Living Vitality grapefruit oil in some water for a refreshing drink and a gentle detox for the body. You'll want to use the white labeled Young Living Vitality grapefruit oil for ingestion because that's the only one that's labeled that way. Number 2, rub grapefruit oil on fatty areas like thighs. It can also be mixed with olive oil or organic coconut oil and rubbed on larger areas like the back or legs. Number 3, rub this oil on the bottoms of your feet. Your feet actually have the largest pores in your body and uptake oils very well. This can help to release fluids and support the liver. Grapefruit oil can also help calm people when under stress. Number 4, diffuse grapefruit oil in a cool mist diffuser for a few hours. Who can smell grapefruit oil and not be in a good mood? Number 5, make a foot or hand scrub with grapefruit oil. Mix 1 tablespoon brown sugar and 1 tablespoon olive oil or coconut oil. Then add 2 to 3 drops of grapefruit oil and mix together. Take the mixture in your hands and either rub your hands together or rub the scrub all over your feet. Then rinse with water and feel your nice smooth feet or hands. Number 6, add 6 to 8 drops of grapefruit oil to your favorite lotion bottle. Then shake and mix and enjoy the wonderful uplifting scent. Here's the deal. You can get essential oils in lots of places, but not all oils are created equal. This is your family we're talking about, and we want to make sure that you're not harming them in any way by putting oils on that are not good for them. Your skin is your largest organ, and essential oils applied to your skin are fully absorbed in 26 seconds. Do you want to risk absorbing chemicals or additives right into your family's skin and bloodstream? Here's what I do instead. I love teaching about essential oils and how to use them. I only use Young Living oils because they're the purest. They are the only company that owns their own farms and has control of the whole process from when the seed goes in the ground to when the bottle of oil gets sealed. I don't want any funky ingredients and things that my family will be applying or ingesting. Did you know that there's no rating system for essential oils manufacturers? Since U.S. labeling laws allow for a label to say 100% pure and the oil only has to be 5% pure, I know that I have to take matters into my own hands when it comes to finding safe products for my family. If an oil is not pure or very potent, people need to know that they'll probably have to buy 3 to 4 times more oil to get the same effect as 1 bottle of Young Living oil. I'm very frugal, and even though another bottle of oil may look cheaper, I know that not only will I possibly compromise my family's health because of chemicals that could be in it, but I also know that I would need to buy more oil. And that's not very frugal. That's why I buy the best oils from the purest company, Young Living. I got the $375 member kit, not customer, for $165, which gave me over 1,000 drops of the 12 most popular oils, plus a diffuser I could use in our home so all of us could breathe in these great oils. Then I order oils at wholesale directly from Young Living whenever we need them. I buy them every month so I can take part in their free oils plan called Essential Rewards, but you don't have to buy every month. Just get the oils when you need them. Follow the instructions at www.essential-oils-info.com or catch the link below to get your own oils kit. I provide lots of support and help once you're a member with reference material, question and answer help, and samples mailed to you. No one has ever told me they regretted purchasing their Young Living Premium Starter Kit. What are you waiting for? Write and tell me your concerns. Then get started today.